Hello and welcome. If you feel stuck or nervous about speaking English, you're not alone. Maybe you know grammar and vocabulary, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. I understand, many students feel this way, but it's not your fault, it's the way you learned. Today we start a new journey, one that's fun, easy, and focused on speaking. Forget grammar books and tests. Our goal, speak English with confidence without fear. I want you to feel strong and relaxed in conversations. This is possible, and it's simpler than you think. Think of how children learn. They listen, they speak, they make mistakes, and they keep going. That's the natural way. You learned your first language like this, and you can learn English the same way. Be curious, fearless, and ready to play with the language. Take a deep breath. Let go of pressure, fear of judgment, and the need to be perfect. From now on, your only job is to communicate and try. We'll use a simple, powerful system, just a few minutes a day. These minutes will build your confidence and fluency. They'll unlock the English speaker inside you. Are you ready? Let's go. The first rule: change your mindset. Your feelings about English matter more than your knowledge. If you feel confident, you'll speak. If you're afraid, you won't. So let's destroy fear. How? By believing mistakes are good. Mistakes are your best friend. They mean you're trying and learning. Nobody speaks perfectly at first. Even your favorite actors made thousands of mistakes. Mistakes are proof of progress. Celebrate them. Think of learning to ride a bike. You fell, but you learned. Speaking English is the same. You must try, fall, and get back up. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking now. Use the English you have, it's enough. Try the 3-second rule. When you get a chance to speak, do it within 3 seconds. Don't hesitate, don't overthink grammar, don't worry about mistakes. Just open your mouth and say something. This habit will break your fear and build your confidence. Here's your 4-minute power habit. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone's language now. Label things in your home with their English names. You'll learn new words every day, effortlessly. Next, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing or talk about your day. This builds your brain's English connections and makes thinking in English natural. Listen and repeat. Find a short video or podcast. Listen to a sentence, pause, and say it out loud. Copy the speaker's emotion and intonation. Just 1 or 2 minutes a day trains your mouth and ear for English. Speak slowly and clearly. Fluency is about clear communication, not speed. When you speak slowly, you give yourself time to think and relax. Record yourself for 30 seconds, listen back, and notice how you sound. Don't judge, just observe and improve. Now you have a new mindset and a daily habit. Practicing English, even for 4 minutes a day, can change your life. This isn't just about language, it's about opening doors to new opportunities. With English, you can work internationally, connect with people worldwide, and get better jobs. You'll travel, make friends, and share your story across cultures. These connections enrich your life and broaden your world. Most importantly, every conversation builds your confidence. You'll become more outgoing, ready to try new things, and share your ideas. English fluency isn't the destination. It's the vehicle to a more confident, exciting life. Your new life starts now, with your next English sentence.